What's up guys, welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are having an awesome day and I'm super excited to talk about this Instagram hack that I just found out that is going to help you guys increase engagement on your Instagram's stories. So you guys are going to ask me, how is that possible? I'm going to show you, okay? So it's super simple and it's super easy, and I'm going to do a little screen sharing first. So we're gonna go into my phone and boom, we're sharing my screen. And so this is my Instagram profile. If you guys aren't following me, go to trevin.peterson, follow me, and you guys will stay up to date with everything that I'm doing. So right here is proof that these little techniques are working. I have over 10,000 followers and I've been growing this account for just over 6 months now. So these are completely organic followers. Didn't pay for any of them, and you guys can see right here I'm getting 611 likes. I'm getting comments right here, 16 comments. This is just to show you guys that this is legit. For 1100 views with 49 comments. This is real stuff that is going to help you guys improve your engagement. And obviously, if you guys understand Instagram's algorithms, the more engagement you get, the more likely Instagram is going to be placing you so that other people can see the videos and the pictures that you're posting. So what we're going to do for this little hack is we're going to go to the App Store and we're going to download what's called the ProPic Editor app. So I'm going to include that link in the description below. So once you download it, you're going to click on it and you're going to hit the little plus sign right here, and you're going to add a picture that you want your profile picture to be. So whether it's the same profile picture that you have now or you want to change it, you're going to click on a picture that you want to make your profile picture. So right here we have it, and we can crop it and adjust it and make it the perfect size so that when you post it on Instagram, it doesn't look elongated, it doesn't look all crazy, and it looks professional. So that's one thing that you guys need to do, and I'll talk a little bit more about it, is have a high quality profile, and that means pictures, your bio, and your account handle, and those are huge factors in growing your Instagram account. So right here we have my profile picture. I'm going to hit next, and then it's going to give me different options of different filters, different banners, different things that I can do to my profile picture to make it look interesting or set me apart from the rest. But what we're going to do in this one is go to the bottom right where it says badge, and we're going to click where the little circle. So it's called fake story. So all this is going to do is make it look like you always have a story. Now, this is something that is crazy. It's so simple, but it works every time, guaranteed, and I've tried it with multiple people. So right here, it's going to look like this. You're going to save it. Save to your camera roll. Now the image is saved. I'm going to head over to Instagram, hit edit profile, and I'm going to hit change profile and choose from library, and there is my profile picture, and I'm going to save it, and now I have my fake story, so it looks like I always have a story. So for example, I'm going to add something on my story, so let's smile for the camera, and I'm going to add that to my story, and as you can see, I have double rings now. So as soon as I click on that ring and I watch my story, it's going to go away, but it still looks like I have a story. So as you guys can see, it still shows that I have a little banner around it. So as you can see, the Shea Hubfit and King James, I haven't watched those stories, but as soon as I watch LeBron James' Instagram story, so I'm going to watch it all, the banner goes away. So it shows that I've already watched it. So if you want people to be constantly clicking on your story and seeing the content that you are sharing, adding this additional banner is super useful because it makes it look like you guys always have a story, whether you have viewed it or not. So this makes it so that you rank your stories at the very front of your followers so that they're always clicking and they're seeing and staying up to date with what you're doing. So this is a super simple hack that I found out that has literally changed my Instagram, and a lot of people are clicking it, and all my friends are like, I always think you have a story and I'm always clicking on it. And it's how did you do that? And so I was getting a lot of questions about it. So that's why I'm making this video, is to show you guys this little tip to get people to interact on your story, because I know that there's so many different stories. As you guys can see, you scroll, there's thousands of them. And if people aren't clicking on them, then Instagram isn't going to show them at the top of their banner. So that's why it's super important to use this little tip. And I know if you guys do, then you are going to get more engagement. So the last thing that I want to talk about is right here I have my profile, and I just want to talk about two simple things: your Instagram account handle and the bio. So I know that these things may sound super simple, but there are things that are going to change your Instagram account. So you want your Instagram handle or your account name something simple, something people can remember. If they don't remember it, then how in the world are they going to go back 2 days from now and say, oh yeah, I remember Trevin posting this picture, I want to show my friends, or oh, this post was super funny, but I can't remember the account name. So you want to do something very simple and short and to the point. So I would recommend your first and your last name. Nothing like Trevin Boy Peterson 123. That wouldn't make sense. It's just Trevin.Peterson. It's super simple. So change your account profile name, and that will help. And then also in the bio, you want to show people what you're interested in. So on mine, as you guys can see, it says, welcome to my lifestyle. It has my website. It says that I'm an Amazon seller. I'm involved in a company called 3Works. And then it says DM for inquiries and hablo español. So I tell them that I speak Spanish. And so if they see that I speak Spanish, I can get other followers that may not have followed me unless I would have put hablo español. So that is something very important, so that my followers know what I'm about. And if they get onto my page and they don't like what they see, then they won't follow me. And that's okay, because I'm trying to get people to follow me that have the same interest. And that's the whole purpose of Instagram. So those are some few tips and techniques and hacks that you guys can implement starting now. So leave a comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more tips and techniques, because I have a bunch of them of how I grew my Instagram account to 10,000 in 6 months. So hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, like this video, and give me some feedback. Tell me what you guys want to see, and I'm more than happy to make a customized video to you, because that's the whole purpose of this channel, is to help you. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.